Multistrada Jack Miller, capito? Io vado a fare un giro in moto con chi? Ah, vado con Jack Miller. Sembra che sia stata una di quelle giornate in cui ti ricordi cosa vuol dire essere un motociclista.
It's days like this that remind you how much fun motorcycles are. Going, and you understand so much, you learn so much bike control over this one day only. Fantastic, like the one we went, brand new asphalt, like corkscrews the whole way. It was unreal.
Tu sei un tifoso degli All Blacks e anche di New Zealand durante la Coppa America?
Of course.
Because a friend of mine is coming.
Max!
Facevo vela e motocross, poi ho fatto un botto in motocross e mio papà giustamente ha detto tu da domani non vai più in moto. Ciao!
Well done.
What about? Thank you, mate.
You don't destroy a bike today.
It's my second time in Sardinia. Now I've been driving the Ducati Multistrada V4. After 5 days I can say it's like a buddy. He showed me Sardinia. It sounds crazy, but I'm speaking now with the motorcycle and they got a lot of answers.
My name is Alex, I'm from Luxembourg, and I was always attracted by non-common sports. So when I was young I did a lot of skydiving. After that free riding and skiing, so I traveled all around. I went to Japan, Norway, heli skied in Canada. When I first saw about the Dainese Masters, I was immediately flashed. I only started riding motorbikes 3 years ago, but on the other side I think Ducati gave us a bike here that's perfect for the kind of riders as I am. We have different modes. With one click on the button we have an enduro mode with less power, with better response for us, with all other settings of the suspension.
Hello, my name is Ralf. I'm an author for Motorrad and Reisen in Germany. And we are here for a very special kind of experience. You're driving 5 days over that wonderful, fantastic island. You're just arriving with a little small cabin bag and then you get your outfit. Each day you're working on your skills. Each day you're getting better. Each day you get a small kind of very friendly kind of lesson, what to do, what not to do, how to increase your style on the street and off-road. And the next day you've got a very direct response from you and your bike that you've really learned something that makes you better as a driver. All in our team, we are really surprised about the tires, because we've got this Pirelli Scorpion STR. You don't even think about driving on enduro tires, because you're really going through the curves like you're on a very special kind of street tire. And that's really something impressive.
My name is Roman, I'm from Russia, but currently I live in the Czech Republic. I have been motorcycling for the last 5-6 years. What we are doing here is something I wouldn't dare to do on my own. And here, with all the support of our instructors and teammates, you can push your limits and increase your skills dramatically just in 5 days. We were able to test jackets, the high-class pants, boots, helmets, in different weather conditions. Like it was sunny days, really hot temperature, and it was still comfy. Now it's pretty cold and a bit rainy, and still, you feel protected. And especially in the dusty places, you see, I'm full of dust, and I feel comfy again. And I really appreciate what Dainese has done for us.
Hello, my name is Andreas. I come from Germany, from Berlin. We learn a lot, and we are in a very interesting group, also people from different countries, and therefore it is for me a very big experience, and it's a challenge, but it's a challenge for me and also for the other one. For me, the best challenge and the best experience of the year, maybe of some years ago.